I'm Maddie with Maddie Sews, and thanks for hanging with me. So today is Vlogmas Day 7, and today I thought I'd share a couple of my top pattern picks for ugly sweaters. So if you're planning on making an ugly sweater, whether you're going to be working out in it or not, I've got some really fun patterns for you to choose from. First, let's look at a couple of athletic inspired sweatshirt patterns. So I recently just made this pattern right here, which is the Wilma hoodie by Sirena patterns. Now this pattern was a really quick and easy sew. What I like about it is that it has the raglan sleeves, so you don't even have to worry about setting in a sleeve for this pattern, and it really helps with kind of bringing it all together quickly. This pattern does come with bands around the wrists and around the hem of the actual sweatshirt. So just keep that in mind because you may need some rib knit or something that's a little stretchier in those areas, unless you're planning on widening the bands. This pattern does come with a kangaroo pocket in the front, and that hood is lined, which is a really nice detail because you can do some really fun color blocking, mix and matching with that. Now, here's my ugly Christmas sweater. I still plan on adding lights and a couple of ornaments and stuff to it, but you can see what I actually made here. And I made this sweater right here for the Ugly Christmas Sweater Challenge. You can catch that video right up here. The second sweatshirt that I wanted to share was the Green Style Creations Savs sweatshirt. This one right over here. Now what I like about this one is that it's a nice oversized sweatshirt and it comes in a really large, wide size range. It's meant to look oversized, but not very baggy. You know, not like you're walking around in, you know, your big brother's clothing or something like that. Now this sweatshirt does come in two different lengths. It comes in a crop length and then the regular length, which is designed to hit you on the longer side. And then it also has the bands around the wrists and the hemline as well. The shoulders on this one are not a raglan. So these are actual set-in sleeves. The sleeves are a dropped sleeve, so it is designed to come off of your shoulders, and then the actual set-in sleeves are sewn into that. I really think that this is a super comfy pick, especially if you're planning on joining in on the Ugly Sweater Bootcamp class. Now, the Savs sweatshirt is on sale today for $9. It's typically $12. So if this pattern is right up your alley, make sure that you check out the links below because I'm going to put a link in there that'll take you right over to the sale. One other pattern that I wanted to share with you on the more athletic side is the Green Style Creations Bianca Pullover. It has a bunch of different neckline options. It has either the banded neckline, you can do a funnel neck on that, and you guys all know that I love me a funnel neck. And then it also has the hood option as well. And then there's also 3 different pocket versions. There's the regular pocket version where you just kind of slip your hands in. There's a zippered pocket version, and then they also provide kangaroo pockets. So this is a pattern that has a whole lot of different options that you can definitely use to customize your sweatshirt to what you like. Now for a couple of options if you're not planning on working out in this thing, but you still want something that's going to look pretty nice. Now, I have a couple of big 4 options for you. First is Simplicity 8738. Now this pattern, I've actually made this pattern quite a bit, and actually I made a brown version of this one right here, and I'll pop a picture right in here for you. You all, this is a really simple sew. This pattern does come with the little holes for the thumbs that you can put in. I didn't do that. I rarely ever use those. What I like about this pattern is that it does have that drop shoulder. It has that big old turtleneck, and it does have set-in sleeves. And there is no band at the bottom, so it's just kind of a flip over and hem. This pattern is designed to be a more roomy fit. So expect there to be plenty of space. This is going to be a comfortable make. And really, there's plenty of real estate for you to add lots of Christmas ornaments, Hanukkah decorations, all of that good stuff on it. There's also this pattern, which is McCall 7839. Now, what I like about this pattern is that it comes with a whole bunch of different options. You have the hood option. There's this little tiny kind of banded option, and then you have a turtleneck or just a crew neck. But look, it does give you a color blocking option right here, which I thought was really fun because if you're planning on making a Christmas sweater that looks like an ornament, They've got you covered right there. There are band options for both the wrist and the hemline, and then there is a non-band option. So if you don't have any kind of accompanying stretchy fabric for that area, you don't even have to worry about it. Just hem your sweater. I would love to see you all dressed up as little ornaments. That would be so much fun. And then I have two options for you that are a little on the less heavy side. So if you're in a warmer climate and you actually just kind of want a t-shirt option, you can do the Sirena pattern Nereida t-shirt. This pattern has a scoop neck, and then it also has a high and low hemline, which is really fun. It's definitely a lighter version that you can zhuzh up and have a lot of fun with. In the same vein, there's also the Green Style Creations Studio to Street top. Now this top has a whole lot of options, and there's an optional add-on hood for this one. So you can make a long-sleeved t-shirt with a hood and be ready to go with that. Now what's fun is this t-shirt has different V-neck options as well as just a round crew neck type of option as well. And that's for both the front and the back with some really fun cutouts. Again, Green Style Creations is giving you a whole lot of options for your money here. So make sure that you check out the links in the description box below if any of these patterns caught your eye. And if you're interested in knowing more about the challenge, just click on this video right over here, and it's going to explain the Ugly Sweater Christmas Challenge for you. And you all, until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.